Hi, Andrew Campy here with Better Sheets, helping you make better Google Sheets every single day. This video is going to go into extracting URLs, which is a pretty interesting thing because what happens is if you are a VA or you have a VA or you have some other people that are working for you, in Google Sheets, we want to get links in there because we want to make our sheets like interactive and we want to include a link if we're getting a bunch of text in and a bunch of websites and we're trying to keep our information dense. You might have, a name column, you might have a website column, a URL, you might have you might try to say title and URL, but sometimes we want to kill that URL column because it's just going to be a bunch of this, right, all the way down. And we're like, we don't really want to see that, but we want this like title to have a URL. So what we'll do, and this is a typical thing we do, right, is we do Command+K and we paste a URL there, but we can't get it. Once we delete this, we can't programmatically get it. Maybe we want to output this to something else, create a CSV file with all those URLs, and we can't get this URL. This URL is not programmatically available until our friend Tyler just wrote this. He found the answer. How can you get the URL of a hyperlink that wasn't made with the hyperlink function, right? We could potentially, right, if we were diligent, we would do something like this. We would do hyperlink and we would say https bettersheets.co and then we'd put any text here, Better Sheets. Great. We can get this. This is easy to grab. But if we do Command+K, it is not easy to grab, is what Tyler's saying here. How do we get this? And we get this by creating a function, Google Script. Tyler doesn't like Google Script, but I love Google Script. I love these very simple Google Script functions that you can literally copy and paste. So I'll do that right now. So Command+C, and I'll show you how to implement this. So go up to Extensions, App Script. By the way, make sure you check out Tyler Robertson's work. He does awesome stuff in Google Sheets. I wish there was more people like this who love Google Sheets. Just check out, there he is. Spreadsheets is art, all of these great Google Sheet stuff. All right, back to our app script. This is our base function. We're gonna just delete that and we're gonna paste this GETLINK and input. And I'll show you what to do next. We do Command+S to save. We gotta save that. That orange button over there is gonna tell us we didn't save. And now it's gone, we saved it. Now, we have this URL. Go equals GETLINK, and following Tyler's advice, we have to use the quotes. All right, this is very important because immediately you're going to be like, oh, okay, I'm going to do D2. I know how to use custom functions, and it's not going to work. So we do D2 in quotes. We got it. GETLINK D2 over here, Better Sheets, got the URL, Better Sheets. Here we can keep adding, anything we want. We can do CNN if we add that. Now we can get it with this GETLINK. Again, we can't copy and paste this, but we can go here, D3, and we'll get that. There it is. That's the link there. All right, but as Tyler says, this is great if we only need to do one, but we most definitely, if we're doing lists of things, we might not want to only do one. This is sort of a little even more chaotic than just going to this. Oh, we can do this. Copy link address. You're going to hire a VA to do that, right? We can do better. We can do way, way, way better. And Tyler gives us the answer. We'll delete this. We'll delete this. We'll do equals, GETLINK, do cell. And we'll go back here and we'll see address, paste that, but it's not A2, it is D2. Let's see that work. There it is. There's a link. And now we can copy, paste this down. There's a link. So now instead of having to do right click, copy link address, paste it, we now have this function or this formula inside of our Google Sheet. We can copy and paste anywhere we want to grab the URL. This is pretty cool. This is going to save us a lot of time, or our VAs a lot of time. So get this function, put it into AppScript, and use it. You can extract URLs from Google Sheets. Make sure you check out Tyler's work. I love it. It's amazing. He's done great work. Sheetle. This is the guy who created Sheetle. If you haven't watched that video, go check out Sheetle. It's amazing. Don't make any sheets. Make better sheets.